Hi everyone, it's JoJo. I thought I would come on here today and show you this kit by Took's Craft Table. It's called Garden Fairy. Now Took has discount codes for 15% off, or if you buy 10 or more, you get 20% off. And I will leave the codes in the link down below. In the description box down below. So you can go over and check out her site. She has some amazing and beautiful kits. This one is called Garden Fairies. So I thought I would show you these awesome pages with all the fairies and butterflies. And here's the second page. The kit comes in two sections. You get the front pages, the back pages, and collage pages on one kit, and then you get the add-on, which is 2 sets of the ephemera in the add-on. And there's a whole lot here, really. Pretty good sized kits. I absolutely love these fairies, and I love all the layering effect that she's done. I think it's just beautiful. Little kissing fairies on that toadstool. That cute. I love these butterflies too. And the little cricket. I think that is just a really kind of cute little add-on. These just beautiful. Took does beautiful kits. I absolutely love them. And she has so many, you know, of course I want to collect them all. It's pretty. I have some other of her kits that I'm in the process of making books. I stopped for a while because of things going on in my life, and now I think I'm really ready to be back. I'm hoping that I can stay here for a while this time. I'm really sorry that I left and didn't say anything. Just had really lot going on. I love these little butterflies right here. Those are just cute. Now those were the front pages. These that I'm getting ready to show you are the back pages. And I normally print them on the back, but I'm going to do something a little different this time. So I will come back and show what I've done. But I love these back pages almost as much as I do the front pages. In fact, you could use either way you wanted to, really. The backs are a little bit more, I want to say, lighter. And seem more like pastel, where you could write over it, as opposed to the dark colors on the front. Aren't those so pretty? I just love these pages. I cannot wait to get my book together. There's so many things that you can do with these too. And I love these butterflies, how that they are outlined in gold. I think those are just beautiful. And I have some ideas to really make them pop. So I will come back and show you. Some of my pages got turned around. Sorry about that. I'm just getting back in the swing of doing videos again. I have missed everyone. If you want, leave a comment below and let me know how you're doing. Now these are the collage pages. Let me see. Yeah, let me turn it again. I'm sorry. These are the collage pages, and I love the way that you could do whatever you wanted to with these pages. You could collage on them. You could use them, print them on cardstock, cut you out some tags with them. This is one of my favorites. that pretty? I love all the pastel colors. Who am I kidding? These are all my favorites. I love this kit. I've been wanting to do something with fairies for a while, so. This is one of my favorite pages too. I love the pastels and that touch of green on the page. But I like this one too. Isn't that pretty? These would make beautiful added tags or bookmarks or belly bands if you printed them with cardstock. And this one is very pretty too. The possibilities are endless. That was part 1 of the kits. This is the add-on kit. This is part 2, and this is the ephemera. You get 2 sets of ephemera when you order on Etsy. These are the circles. I made notes and added on here so I didn't forget. Look at these belly bands. Aren't these so pretty? I love these. And these are the bookmarks or side tucks, whichever you wanted to use them for. I have other ideas too. I plan on coming back and doing some tutorials on different things for everyone. I miss doing that. Hope that life will stay intact so I can do that this time. They're so pretty. These are bookmarks or side tucks as well. And then you have envelopes. One tip is I print mine on copy paper instead of cardstock because I think that they are easier to fold and they take up less room, and they really, in my opinion, they don't have to be heavy. So it's just up to personal preference. Now, if I was going to use these for something big, I would probably do them on card, but these are just going to go in the book and they're just going to go into a tuck spot. So I normally do mine on copy paper. But it's, like I said, it's your preference on what you'd rather do. This envelope is my favorite envelope. Isn't that pretty? And then these are like file folders. And normally on the file folders, I will print, I didn't on this one, but normally I print one of the backing pages on the back, so that way the inside is covered. But I have a different idea for these, so that's why I didn't print nothing on the back of this set. I've got 2 copies of this, so I printed 2 copies. These are journaling cards. And normally on the journaling cards, I would print something like one of the backing papers or even the collage pages. Because you see, this is like the collage pages were. And they would look really good on the back. But I think that they would look really good to have something on the inside as well. Now this is the second set of ephemera that you get with the add-on kit. So you can see already that she has a lot with one kit. One kit. I'm saying it right. But there's a lot of ephemera here. You get your money's worth, that's for sure. And then if you use the code that I'm going to leave in the link below, you'll get either 15 or 20 discount. Depends on how many you buy. Look at this way. These are all journaling cards. And on these, I would normally print on the back. If I was just going to use them as just plain cards. And these are library cards. These are embellishments here. These are the library cards, and these are washi tape. So you could print this either on heavy cardstock like I've done, or you could print them on copy paper, because these you could glue something different. But normally the library cards are just copy paper anyway, and then washi tape is normally really thin, so however you want to print them. And then these here are the library pockets for the cards. You have this book belongs to, and you get the backings, so these pockets actually go up against the backs. And then I would take this book belongs to and either put it here on the card or up here. I don't know, I just really like the idea that she's added those as a little extra on these. Let's see, there's your fairies. Absolutely beautiful. Here are some more pockets. That's pretty. And then these are little cards at the top, just little ones. I love using these for hidden paper clips, or a hidden a small little tuck spot, or even a tiny pocket. So the ideas are just endless. And I plan to come back to show you what I do with this and do a few tutorials. These here are postcards. And then here's some short pockets. Aren't these cute? I don't know why I love that little cricket. He's just too cute. Big old butterflies. The beautiful flowers. And then this is our last page. We have some, I call them tea cards, and some tickets, circles and oval shapes. With these, I like to make them mainly into hidden paper clips. So again, these kits, there's two of them here that I showed you. One is the pages, and the second one is the Ephemera add-on pages. Should have counted first. I think there's like 18 in the first kit, 18 pages, and that is the front pages, the back pages, and the collage pages. And if I counted right, which I should have counted before, but there's like 20 pages of ephemera here. 20 pages. Now that's a lot of ephemera. It's just a whole lot. And they're, it's a little bit of everything. So this kit is completely full, and it's beautiful. So I will leave the link down below to where you can get these two kits, and I will also leave the codes that Took has given us for the 15% and 20% off. So thank you so much for watching, If you would like and subscribe to my channel, I would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for supporting me. And I will see you soon. Have a great day. Be kind to one another. Bye-bye.